This screencast is going to show you how to create a module in Canvas and add elements to that module. So this is the course that we created. And to add a module to the course, you just come in and click Create New Module. And then you're going to give it a module name. So I'm going to say Liquid Volume. I'm going to call it Module Outline for right now. Of course, these are all editable things. So now it's created a module for me. Notice this module is empty. It's just doesn't have any elements in it. So you're going to need to add elements into that. And if you click this little plus, it will let you add different kinds of elements. You can add an assignment, a quiz, a file, a content page, and so on. So we're going to start by adding a content page. I'm going to click on New Page and just call it Instructions. And I'm going to add that item. You notice that it added this item to the module. Now you need to notice that out here, this little cloud is if it's published or not. And right now it's not published. If I click on that, that will make it published. And this is also the publishing for the course. So if you want to allow people to be able to see the course, you're going to need to publish the course too. So I'm going to publish the course right now so that people that are in the course will be able to see it. Now I'm going to add some other elements. We want you to add several elements. For example, we want you to add a quiz. Now you're not going to need to actually fill in the quiz right now. I'm going to add that item. Notice it added a quiz with the little quiz icon. I'm going to make that public. Now if I click on that quiz, it's going to take me into a blank quiz that has nothing there, but I can edit that later on in the course. We'll be editing that, adding instructions and adding questions to the quiz. So and due dates and that kind of thing. But you don't need to do any of that right now. You just need to get the structure into place. I'm going to go back to my module. My module has those two elements. I'm going to add an assignment. Add that in, make it visible so people can see it. And so you're going to go through and follow the instructions to add different elements, required elements to the to your module. Discussion. Add that item. Notice adds a little discussion in there. So I want you to go in and play around with this, practice adding elements. You can always edit these by saying edit, and it'll let you come in and change it. You can add indents. You can also add in elements like text header if you want to structure this. So you can put a header and drag things under the header. So I want you to go in and practice and learn how to add different things into your module. One other thing that you can look at is you can edit the module itself. You can lock the module until a certain date so they can't access. You can also add requirements, like you can require students to move through in sequential order. You can require them to complete some of the elements in the module before they can move on to the next module. So go through and explore how to use the different elements in the module and add elements to the module. That's it.